Work hard, play hard. Definitely one of the core values of our family is that we're going to work really, really hard at what we're doing, but also we're going to have those times where we're relaxing, we're playing hard. And so we're competitive in both areas, I think.
We were all homeschooled. We had kind of a little city farm, some might say. So the chickens, the rabbits, dogs and cat in the backyard.
We were all really close friends growing up, challenged each other, pushed each other. We were a very academic family from the beginning.
Growing up together, we were always very busy doing all different things between sports and church and school. We were very actively involved in different things.
With 3 older, high-achieving siblings, it can feel a lot like my path is already cut for me, so kind of an easier route, while also being able to learn from their mistakes and kind of go my own ways as well.
When I think about my time in high school, picking what school, it was like there was GCU on one side and anywhere else. And then anywhere else just didn't seem as entertaining as GCU. My sister, who always talking about the things she learned in the classroom, the things she learned at chapel, and then also all the experiences she had that were so fun. She made so many close friends her first year. She was connected so well. And I was like, GCU is a school that works hard and plays hard. They build the community, but also they pursue excellence academically. And so that was really attractive to me.
Every time I visited, it was like summer camp, and it was just the most fun. And then to know as well that when they talk about, like Mariah, when she went to medical school, was talking about how really GCU had prepared her better than a lot of her peers. And so it was like, I can go to summer camp and get a better education. I think it's a pretty obvious choice. What I kind of learned from all of them is just put yourself out there and to go to everything that's available. There's new opportunities every day. And so it was really just like hit all the events, is what they would always say. Especially I love the opportunities at the Honors College and all the Honors College events that I've made a lot of friends here by doing.
The Honors College is community driven. Everything we do is about building relationships, doing well. There's a huge faith integration component that I think is just crucially important to education.
The best part about being in the Honors College was the honors housing. I had the opportunity to start off in Juniper as a freshman and then stay in Juniper for 2 more years as an RA. And as a freshman, it was just such a privilege to live in an environment where I was surrounded by like-minded people who also took their academics seriously. But then as an RA, it was such a privilege to be able to mentor and encourage students on my floor.
There's so many things that I can do within the Honors College on the opportunities they give me. A big one for me this semester and last semester too has been the Men of Valor program, where I've really just been able to get with another group of young men. We bring in speakers and we just get to listen to their wisdom, as well as then working on identity workshop with each other, doing community service together, and really just going hand in hand with other honor students.
One of my key takeaways from the Honors College is the Leadership in Action Fellowship. They're taking the brightest minds in the Honors College together, and we're working together, we're collaborating to host events for our other students, have fellowship, challenge each other, have professional development, networking opportunities, build friendship. A lot of my closest friends here are friends that I made through the Leadership in Action Fellowship. So I'm really thankful for that.
After graduating from GCU, I took the NCLEX to become a registered nurse, and then I moved out to Fort Worth, and then I was very blessed to be able to start my nursing career as a labor and delivery nurse. I've been doing that now for 1.5 years. I had my 100th delivery last week, which was really fun. I feel like the Honors College just set me up well to desire to pursue excellence and to still keep pursuing that in my day-to-day life. My journey has looked like leaving GCU to go to medical school at TCU, but completing that this May and getting to graduate as an MD, I'd say GCU and specifically the Honors College made me so well prepared for grad school with a strong scientific base. But I think that next level education that I got from here was just being able to be an independent thinker, and really gave me the opportunity to learn things and understand them, not just recognize the answer on the test. And I think I've taken that with me to med school and been able to be like, oh man, GCU, the Honors College, already had me thinking this way, where I'm not just memorizing things. I truly get to go next level, break down things to you about your body. And as a bonus, I worked with cadavers at GCU, so I already have this kind of understanding that other people didn't. So I've been so thankful for that.
We are hyped for the Ingram Honors College. I think I'm most excited for having our own honors building. It's going to be incredible. Excited to have upperclassmen honors exclusive housing. That's where I'll be living. It's going to be fantastic. I think I look forward to the community that will be built, the friends that will be made, and the goals we get to accomplish.
I'll be living just down the hall from Judah, so looking forward to it. As well as also this summer, we have a trip to DC. And this is through the Ingram Honors College. I think it's gonna be a great time.
I remember like my freshman year, where I tell you, it goes by so fast, like really soak it in. And then every semester, it got faster and faster. So this senior year, it's just going to be faster. So really sit down, soak it in, and don't take it for granted.
We are the Floyd family. Low stop.